Hey hi, DeFi project or a financial related project needs certain things to be in mind. Number one, the transaction speed, which need to be fast, quick and executable. Number two, the handling of the transaction because we can't get wrong at that place. Number three, the gas fees. It should be low and it should be quick. And number four, the security and the setup which we are looking to get on. Have personally worked on various different networks, which include Ethereum, Solana, Binance, and many more. However, working with Avalanche has been a good experience. In my past experience, have got a chance to work with Avalanche on DeFi project, on NFT listing, on exchange, and even on creating a wallet. So it is not like have a only simple experience of certain things. Definitely my experience of understanding different languages and also the experience of past blockchain networks do help to understand these things quick. And the way blockchain technology work, it grow fast, so we need to adopt fast. So with this mentality have worked on various different setups and network, and today I'll be sharing with you some of my Avalanche projects which I had worked on, and those are doing really good in the market. Number one is a yield yak. Now yield yak, as you can see, it's a direct AVX like AVX integrated project where you have to directly stake and earn the scenarios. It's a farm build together concept where you can swap, you can do the farming, you can stake it and get a reward. Definitely the concept is same. The UX UI which need to be integrated, the APIs need to be integrated, and the key part is here we have two form of APIs in AVX to be formed. Number one is a WebSocket and number two is a normal HTTP API, and have preferred the web one. The reason for going for WebSocket is we do not need to bombard the whole scenario again and again with the API. We just wait for the response and act on that and connect it with the wallet. So working with YieldAct has actually given me an experience like how on Avalanche project we can work for swapping, yielding, staking and all the concept which we need can be implemented on that. Then got a chance to work with Trustswap. This is a beauty. A really beautiful project. I love it. I don't know like how good they are doing or how good they are making financially, but the concept is good. The concept is overall to create something in between as a wallet to make a trust party. The scenarios can be anyone. Similarly, like you can say like two peoples are there who one is an investor and one is an end user, and they actually decided the payment in certain milestone basis, and that can be managed with Trust Wallet. Similarly, with Trustswap, we can manage like how if we can create a scenario like we want to pay the money to certain people after certain duration, after certain milestone, and something like that, that can be managed. And a simple swap is always and already there between all the network. Like it can be like Ether or it can be Binance or anything with the wrapper within the Ether network. We can do it out. So working with Trust Swap is a good experience like how a wallet can be done and how we can create something which can be used as an integral part or as a third party utility for various sources. Then Snowball. Now Snowball is something you can say like is a direct way of implementation of a staking and the other normal concept, a governance concept and that all thing. Definitely have done that and implemented. And these are the basics of any DeFi application which you can consider. And you can easily take a fork and modify and implement on the available sources and scenarios. However, the good thing of Snowball is the way they have implemented the business model of staking. That is different, and definitely the founders have created a good mind in that. They have kept a real good scenarios of a certain good amount of percentage for stakers as a benefit, certain percentage for burning to keep the value volume down, and certain percentage as a payout to the overall team. So this type of governance staking has really made a Snowball a different compared to the other one. However, as per the technological perspective, you can see like this is something similar to all the AVX project where you can do like a farming, staking, governance and all those scenarios. And now NFTs. Yes, non-fungible token. Troops NFTs are the one which are connected, confirmed, like which are one of those which are on the Avalanche or a AVAX network. Now, as you can see, this is not just a single collection; it's a collection of multiple scenarios and setup. So overall, this is the whole setup which has been brought up. Definitely there is a reference with some of the good like a top shots and these all NFTs program, but overall the idea was to bring something on this network, make it non fungible, and then come up with more and more utilities with the people holding this. So with all this experience and expertise, have got a good chance to work on different scenarios, network and setup of Avalanche. Other than this, on the Avalanche, currently we are also working on one of the concept which is known as a flash loan setup. So that is also like you can use the AVAX as a network where you can transit the money through the flash loan to the scenarios and get back as a return with paying the gas fees. So there are many utilities can be done on the DeFi apps, and definitely finance has been a great turning point with Bitcoin, crypto and more updated blockchain technologies, something similar to Avalanche. So this is all from me. Do let me know if you need any discussion. Open for same. Thank you. Have a great day.